Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can crop a video onto a circle shape on CapCut PC. Select your video and go to mask here and then add in a mask and add circle. And then you're just going to want to adjust that. And I'm just going to try to place it in the middle. Then I'm going to add in another layer for the background. Actually, I'll use this one. Go to mask and then add mask and then add in a circle again. Okay, so this is where the middle is. I need to move it. Whoa, okay. Anyways, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger than the picture for the background. Like so. And if you want to do something super cool, you can absolutely do that. We are going to copy and paste it. Actually, let me go back to the circle one. And I'm going to mask it like, I guess like down here a little bit. Like here. Then let's copy and paste that. And then on the second one, you're going to go to auto removal to remove background. Go back to mask and we're going to put it up here. Go back to the remove background. I'm just going to feather it a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to select both and whoops. And then I'll try to like place it in the middle here, kind of. And I'm going to make this mask a little bit smaller. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.